In the meantime, can you guys put down your names in the attendee list in the doc I just shared? Let's wait on for 2 more minutes before it gets started. And shouting, can you put down updates you want to share in the talk? Okay, let's get started. So let's go through the discussion items and shouting.
Yeah, the first discussed item is that we now have a comprehensive test that can test the performance of some backends and of some features. And this is the PR link. So we need help from the community to write more comprehensive test cases with the current pipeline. And to write a new comprehensive test, we need to do three things. We The three items have been put in the README, but I can mention it here. The first thing is that we should put the test item uh in the text txt, and then the pipeline will read the txt to pick the feature to test. And there are two other config files that we need to write. One of the config file is the LMCache config file, and it follows the config in the V1 Python script. And the second one is the workload config. The workload config uses the VLM, long document QA, and it has some customized field like the expected gain of different backends. And after we put these three files, we can have a comprehensive unit test. And
So-
this is the update of the CI/CD.
Sounds good. Thanks for the update. Okay, and the next one, rule for commuters. Charlene, do you know can you talk a bit about that?
Uh, yeah. Right now we have a concern is that after we have a lot of tests that run on different servers, so users can submit some malicious code into the pipeline and may break our server. So we plan to have a rule for new committers that their actions need approval to run. And right now we have this approval on the build kite, but we do not have on the GitHub actions. So no, we have the rules for the GitHub action, but we do not have for the build kite pipelines. So uh, we want to make some rules for new committers, but we haven't put the document yet.
I see. Okay. Yeah, and the next one.
Next one is a refactor. This is a issue from Yihua, and the motivation is that to put the CPU offloading and to separate the CPU offloading and transfer process. And there is a graph in the issue. You can you can click it. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think Jiayi might be working on this.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, and the last one.
Yeah, the last one, the background of this is that we want to support Amazon S3 backend. But the Python operations of the S3 backend is very slow. So the storing and retrieval has some overhead. Uh, and now Yihua is planning to write a C++ or Rust backend.
Oh, so is it going to replace all the Python backend or is a alternative way to call LMCache?
Alternative way.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, any other questions for us? If there are no more questions, yeah, I saw a new people join. David, hey,
Hello.
hello. Yeah, we just went through all the updates from our side, and I don't know if you have any questions, comments for us. If not, we can end early here.
No additional questions. Thanks very much.
Okay, I'll put the recording on our YouTube channel and feel free to check out if you are interested. Okay, if that's all, yeah, thanks everyone for joining. And we don't have community meeting next week, and we'll continue the week after. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.